All right, hi friends. I know you are missing all my silliness, so I decided to do a new hairstyle for this video right here. I thought you might like it. So, anywho, let's move on and go over the answers for this assignment here. First thing I like to do is to make it look bigger at 100%. Directions: create a line plot using the measurement data from the chart. Josh has 10 toy cars. Below are the lengths of Josh's toy cars. So here's his 10 cars. You're going to use these X's and put them on this line. So the first thing is you could, if you are wanting to, you can put your title on first. That really doesn't matter. I actually prefer starting with putting the numbers on my number line. So I'm looking here. I'm seeing my numbers, and then I'm going to go count here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I feel comfortable labeling my line plot 1 through 7. So I will change my text color, 1, and then you just space over 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. So the next thing you do, we got to put these X's on there. So I'm going to look at my data chart, and it does not matter where you start. 6 is on the top here, so I'll just go with 6. 6 is listed on the chart 3 times, so I'm going to move 3 X's to number 6. There's 1, 2, 3. All right, now 4. How'd that get over there? 4 is only on there 1 time, so I will put my 1x at 4. Oh, sorry, 4 is on there twice. Gotta put, see, 1 here and 1 here. I gotta get 1 more on there. All right, so 2 is only on there once. So I'm gonna take this and put it on my 2. 3 is on there just 1 time. And you could totally do this going by counting order. It does not matter. 7 is on there 2 times. And 5 is on there once. So that's my last X. Now you totally could have just go. Okay, do I have any 1s? No. Do I have any 2s? Yes. How many? You could have completely done that. So now I got my chart all done, and I need to give it a title. So what should be my title? Well, my chart right here has a title of Josh's Toy Cars. But what is it that is what's about the toy cars? So it's the lengths of the cars. It's how long they are. Lengths of Josh's toy cars. That would be your title. And then right here, we're going to put the description. So what do it's just meaning, what do these numbers mean? So if you look here, 2, what did 2 mean? 2 meant 2 inches. So it is the length in inches. Now, mine's fancy. You could just put inches, and it would be okay. All right, we are ready for this next part, which is just the answering of the questions. Before I do that, I'm going to zoom out just so you can take a quick peek on how this looks. I'll go back. Sorry, guys, my dog is being kind of annoying here. Did you see her? What are you doing, Olive? She doesn't like the rainy days. She's scared of the rain. All right, so let's answer these questions. what does 1x stand for? So when I was putting these x's on here, what does that mean? Well, each x is a car. So one car was 2, one car was 3. So what does 1x stand for? X stands for 1 car. Oh, that's a fancy answer. If you just put 1 car, you'll be fine as well. How many x's did you put on number 6? That's easy. Just go and count them. Such an easy question. Here we go. How did you know how many x's to put on the entire line plot? Well, there's a few places you could have found this information. Well, one, it tells you right here, there's 10 cars. Or you could have counted how many cars he has by going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 cars on this. We are almost done. Yay! All right. So I got another piece of hair on my screen. Okay. What is the difference? Difference means subtract. For the largest car to the small, what's the difference? You know, I worded that question poorly, but it just means what's the difference between the longest car and the smallest car? Well, the longest car is 7 and the shortest car is 2. So if I subtract 2 from 7, if I do that, I would get, and I'm going to go ahead and write out the problem just so you can see it, equals 5 inches. So the difference is 5 inches. Oh. So what's the difference? The difference is 5 inches. Hope this helps. Message me if you need anything.